Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. News for the first half of February 2024. The 1st of February 2024, Shuttle-Free Day. All staff and students rested their two-wheelers and four-wheelers outside the college for a day and walked their way into the gates of the college, observing a shuttle-free day, an initiative of the Eco Club to promote cleaner air, healthier lives and a greener future. The 5th of February 2024, inauguration of Tech Bios Consultancy. Tech Bios, a research consultancy unit initiated by the Department of Zoology, was inaugurated by Reverend Sister Fatima Qatar, the province animator, in the presence of Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the secretary, and Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college. Soon after the inauguration, the consultancy unit began its services, and two students from Kannur University, Kerala, joined as interns. The 9th of February 2024, industrial visit. The students of the Department of Economics visited the Srishti Innovative Company located at Technopark, Trivandrum, and the students of the Department of Commerce SF1 visited Kanya Spin, the District Cooperative Spinning Mill Limited, RLY Muli, and received practical exposure to the working and functioning of the industry. On the same day, in the workshop organized by the Department of French, the resource person Ms. Fatima Sahar, a French freelance tutor and senior catalog associate of Amazon, guided the participants into learning French vocabulary through common expressions. On the same day, the Placement and Career Guidance Cell of a college, in collaboration with the Department of Computer Science, organized a workshop on Elevate Your Career with Advanced Android Development. Senior Android developers from AK Infopark Private Limited, Mr. Ajay Bharatwaj, Ms. Anushya, and Ms. Geetu trained the students to install Android Studio and develop apps in apt environment. The 11th of February 2024 to the 17th of February 2024, NSS Camp. Nearly 200 NSS volunteers under the guidance of 4 NSS program officers camped at the Periyakadu and Pallam villages and actively volunteered in the coastal cleanup drive, conducted an awareness rally on road safety and drugs, campaigned against use of plastic, and organized a special eye camp for the villagers. The 12th of February 2024 to the 13th of February 2024, Medical Camp. The Department of Physical Education and the Rotaract Club of our college, in association with Nagercoil Hospital, Nagercoil, jointly organized a free medical camp for the first year undergraduate students of the college, in which the doctors, nurses and paramedical personnel of the Nagercoil Hospital provided their services with a message of prioritizing health above all. On the same day, the Department of Mathematics of our college, in collaboration with the Department of Mathematics of Sacred Heart College, Tirupattur, jointly organized an international conference on harmonizing graph theory and differential equations in the age of Industry 4.0. In the inaugural session of the conference, Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the secretary of the college, and Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, felicitated the gathering, and Dr. Sandra Finailes, a researcher from Portugal, gave the keynote address. In the technical session, Dr. Rizwana, Assistant Professor of Mathematics of VHN Sendi Kumara Nadar College, Virudhunagar, and Dr. Paul Raj Joseph, retired Professor and Head of the Department of Mathematics of MS University Tirunelveli, were the invited speakers. Research papers were presented and certificates were distributed in the valedictory session. The 12th of February 2024 to the 19th of February 2024, Faculty Exchange Program. In a faculty exchange program organized between the Department of Botany of our college and their counterparts from St. Mary's College, Thuthukudi, the teaching staff exchanged their sites of teaching, shared their expertise and innovation in teaching. The faculty exchange program is a fruit of a memorandum of understanding signed between the colleges earlier during the year. In the 20th Men and Women Senior State Atyapatya Championship held at Government High Secondary School, Nagercoil, our students Ms. N. Gomadi, Ms. B.G. Gokula and Ms. S. Muthumari represented the Kanyakumari district and secured the first place. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College, Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.